Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grammarly affiliate program for writing. To activate the Grammarly affiliate program, begin by navigating to the Grammarly website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliates link and click on it. You will be taken to the Grammarly affiliate program page. Read through the program details to understand how it works. When you're ready, locate the Join Now button and click it. This will redirect you to the application form. Fill out the required fields, including your name and email address. Provide information about how you plan to promote Grammarly. This may include your website, blog, or social media platforms. After completing the form, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your application. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link provided. Once verified, log in to your Grammarly affiliate account. Here, you will find your unique affiliate link. Copy this link to share it in your content. Explore the available banners and promotional materials within your account. Select the ones that best fit your audience. Now, start integrating your affiliate link into your content. You can place it in blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters. As people use your link to sign up for Grammarly, you will earn commissions. Monitor your progress through the affiliate dashboard. This will help you keep track of your earnings and referrals. Continue to experiment with different promotional strategies for better results. By following these steps, you can successfully activate and utilize the Grammarly affiliate program for writing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.